Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing video to share with you, and I have got Birchbox, and this is their June box. Gorgeous box design. So as always, if you're new to Birchbox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Birchbox is a monthly beauty subscription box that is based in the UK and only ships within the UK. The cost of the box is £12.95 and that includes shipping. Inside you'll receive 5 beauty treats ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup, nail care and body care, and sometimes we have an added extra as well. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month, but they also offer 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. I've been subscribing to Birchbox on and off for 5, 6 years, and yeah, some months are better than others, and sometimes you can't help but compare to other subscription boxes of similar value, especially when we tend to receive smaller beauty products in this box. Now the thinking behind that is because Birchbox also have an online store. Their aim is to provide you a monthly treat in a gorgeous keepsake box full of new products you're able to try, and if you like then you can go onto their website to purchase the full size. If you are a new subscriber, you automatically get 10% off any purchases off the website. If you subscribe to their subscription for 6 months or more, you become a VIP, and that entitles you to receive 15% off their website. As well as the subscription and as well as products on their website which you can purchase, they also bring out limited edition boxes. I believe there's quite a few up on their website at the moment, so I'll pop them down in my description if you're interested in taking a look as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description, and all links related to this subscription you'll see down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I miss anything out, please ask away, but let's get on to showing you what I received. Now I've already seen what's inside because I did a little sneak peek video on Instagram a few days ago, but I haven't actually delved in there and had a proper look then. I've just looked at it. So inside you've got a little leaflet here and it details everything about the products inside the box, and sometimes we get a sneak peek for next month, which I'll have a read in a little while. But there we go. How have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 6 products this month. This month is all about taking pride in who you are, expressing yourself and living life according to you, not anyone else. It's all about more pride, more acceptance and more love. Alright then, so let's get into showing you what's inside. We've got an Aqua Hero Exfoliant Naturel by Gommage Corpse. It's a body scrub and there's 30 mils there. Brand new brand for me. I've never tried this before. Just see a little bit there. Smells nice. So perfect for dry areas and prepping your skin before applying a fake tan maybe. So it's got a price here, but it doesn't say whether this is full size. I don't think so. The cost of the Aqua Hero is £17.90, but I don't think this is full size. It's 30 mils, so I'm assuming this is like a little travel size. It says this body scrub made with Guaran salt, honey and aloe vera is a summer skin saviour. Made with 99% natural ingredients, it exfoliates and deeply cleanses the skin, eliminating dead skin cells for smoother, more supple skin. Its marine scent captures the essence of sea air, transporting you to the seaside. It's got a body scrub there. Next we've got a product by Amica. This is a Flash Instant Shine Hair Mask, and it's 30 mils. So this is the brand of the month. Full size is worth £20, and this is like a little travel mini. If your hair is looking a little dull and you need a fast but effective solution, look no further than the Amica Flash Instant Shine Mask. The amino acids and UV filters keep your colour bold and vibrant and your hair nourished, revitalised and shining brightly. Did we mention it does all of this in just 60 seconds? Talk about quick fix. Got a hair mask. Next we've got a product by Jecca Black, and this is Glow Drops Highlighting Primer for Face, vegan friendly, cruelty free, and I've got it in Rose Pearl, and there's 20 mils here. They do a coral one and this rose one. It's like a rose gold. Can you see there? It's nice, but it's just too full on for me. It's okay, but I'll be passing it on. I've received this product numerous times in different subscription boxes over the last couple of months, so they are doing their rounds with this brand. out at the moment. This is a full-size product and the recommended retail price is £16. These multitasking illuminating drops can be worn under makeup or alone to create a radiant base, or over makeup for a pop of highlight. Perfect for all skin tones. Simply apply a few drops of this pearlescent pinky shade and blend or pat into the high points of your face for a dewy, lit from within look. So is that? Next, we got a product by Sand & Sky, and this is Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask and Glow and Plump, and it's 10 grams. I've tried the pink clay mask, which is lovely. Clay and mud masks are one of the best type of face masks, in my opinion anyway. But yeah, Australian Emu Apple. This is a little sample or travel. The full size would cost you £56.90. Powered by Sand & Sky's unique Glowberry complex, the formula contains an impressive concentration of antioxidants to protect, 5 types of hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump, jojoba oil to soften, and kakadu plum to tackle pigmentation and boost radiance. Buckle up, it's time to glow. It sounds amazing. It does sound amazing. So to go with that, they've popped in a little brush, a little mask brush. But it's not a brush, it's a spatula, which is so handy. Got a little Birchbox, their own branded little spatula. Oh, I like that. Yeah. How handy is that? This is full size and you can purchase this off the Birchbox website for £6. This lilac silicone face mask applicator keeps any dirt, oil and germs that may be hanging out on your hands from getting on your face. By using this applicator, you'll prevent unwanted breakouts, which might be why you're using a mask in the first place, cut down on product waste and keep your hands totally mess free when masking. Chuffed to have that. And then lastly, we've got some eye masks, and these are by Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. 1 pack here. I think they might come in like a pack of 5 or something in a box, but it's anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. Yeah, to buy the full size it'll cost you £16. I wish it would give you more information. It tells you the price of the full size, but it, you know, what is the full size? But it's obviously a pack, isn't it? But anyway. Like an energy drink for your under eyes, these soothing, hydrating gel patches are packed with nutrient-rich minerals for bright, youthful peepers. Their toning properties counteract blue-purple tones of tired eyes, and their cooling anti-inflammatory effect counteracts the redness and puffiness associated with too much sun, poor sleep and harsh makeup removers. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this month's Birchbox. I'll just gather them all up and I'll be back. So these are all the products. We've got 6 products inside this month's box. We've got a hair mask, we've got under eye mask, we've got highlighting glow drops, we've got a body scrub, we've got a face mask and a face mask brush as well. I am really excited about these two. These two on the end. Love this brush. Really like Sand & Sky as well, and cannot wait to see what that is like on my skin. So really happy with those two. Body scrub, it's alright. It's okay, nothing too exciting, but it's okay. I'm going to be passing that on. Under eye masks are lovely, especially if you put them in the fridge. And yeah, a hair mask as well. Amica is a really nice brand. I have gone on to purchase full-size products from Amica off the Birchbox website in the past. So yeah, so for £12.95 I do think it's a nice box. It's not a wow box, only because I'm a bit gutted about this. Because I'm just seeing it all the time. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts though. What do you think of this month's box? Have you received your box yet? You're bound to, actually, because I'm really late putting this video up, if you are a subscriber, that is. But yeah, I'd love to hear what you think of it. Or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not? I'd love to hear, even if you don't like it. Still comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think of it. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.